I think maybe the main lesson is that we should maybe better prepare, that we should have a higher expectation of what is possible. The oil is harder to find now than it used to be, so now we go in deeper water and everything is more dangerous, so the risk is much higher. So I think that we need to improve our expectation and also improve our technology. So I think in the future, I think we need, if we slow down and we take more precaution and we think about the risk a little bit differently, and that's what I'm hoping to do is I'm trying to put perspective on the risk to the environment. So we understand that when we damage the environment in the Gulf of Mexico, it causes problems for everybody in the world. We all live in the same ecosystem. We're all part of the same environment. So we're responsible for everybody.
Yes, this is a problem because everyone's...
I think considering the scale of the spill, 40,000 people helping, we have all different government agencies. We have 17 different government agencies helping. One government agency in charge, which was the Coast Guard. And then we had British Petroleum playing a very important role. And in the past, we never had the oil company play such an important role, but they were responsible for stopping the oil. You know, the oil leaked for 89 days, so it wasn't a one-day spill. So I think in general, the government did a good job, and I think in the future, as long as they learn from what happened this time, I think that they'll do a better job.
But today
politicians, their background is normally political science, but there is environmental scientists, there is chemists and biologists and engineers in universities that understand these problems very well. They understand the environment much better than most people. I think that in the future we need to think more about listening to the scientists or including them in the decisions that we make.
lunch and the coffee is later, and we love coffee.
The ecosystem was already damaged from global warming, from erosion on our coastline, and then we had a major hurricane only 5 years ago with Katrina hitting Louisiana. So they were still recovering from that damage. In fact, they were just about to celebrate, the anniversary of Katrina, so they remember the hurricane.
These are scientists all over the world, as well as people that work in...
I would say 2 generations, so that's 50 years. Yes.